Hello, my name is Ivy and welcome to Shibby Travels. Today's episode is a continuation of my weekend trip to San Antonio. And for this episode, I'm gonna show you the downtown Riverwalk in San Antonio, Texas. As I'm walking to the Riverwalk, I see this very intriguing large artwork.
Okay, so it's lunchtime and I am famished. I just got out of the Alamo Museum. If you're gonna go there, you should consider that it takes maybe three and a half hours just to do like a regular tour. If you can always stay there longer, but just to do a regular tour and see everything, it takes like three and a half hours, maybe even 4. So I'm looking for food. Okay, come with me and let's walk along the streets looking for food in downtown San Antonio, the Riverwalk.
The downtown Riverwalk is one of the premier tourist destinations here in San Antonio. There are a lot of shops and restaurants that outline this nice looking river. So I was able to find one. The name is Budros. Budros is a Texas bistro located on the Riverwalk. You can take the elevator to go down. And I was seated outside in the patio, and it was a nice day today, so I decided to do the outdoor seating. So let's take a look at their menu. They have quite an extensive menu. They have a lunch and dinner menu. I couldn't choose. I couldn't decide which one I wanted. I ended up ordering the filet mignon because it is a vacation. So let's go splurge, go all out. I ordered the filet mignon with their seasonal veggies and their version of wild rice. I totally demolished it. I crushed it, guys.
So guys, I just had my lunch and we're gonna take a leisurely walk down the Riverwalk.
So this is what happens when you're solo traveling and you're doing videos for your YouTube channel. Anything happens, anything goes, and you just go with the flow, you just roll with it and have fun.
It's really sunny today. It's not that humid, but it is sunny. And I forgot my sunglasses. So I had to buy these $14 sunglasses in a souvenir shop. So it's a really nice view today. There's a lot of restaurants here. There's more Mexican restaurants than any other restaurants, but they still have Italian, a couple of American restaurants. They said there was one Asian restaurant. But the view, the ambiance, it's really relaxing. It's kind of like a long strip in Vegas, but instead of roads, it's a river. And it's a really nice river, very clean, well maintained. You're gonna love it here.
Here's another famous steakhouse in Texas, Saltgrass. And here's a map of the Riverwalk. It is a very long and windy river. It's not that windy, but it's not a straight river. And here's another barbecue, guys, because this is Texas and this barbecue place is ready for Halloween. Right now, I'm just walking on one side of the Riverwalk. As you can see, there's an opposite side. I'm walking upstream, and I was told by the locals and some of the servers that upstream you'll see more hotels. The hotels on the Riverwalk, guys, are so pricey, and they were all booked out. Because I guess a lot of conventions come here to downtown San Antonio. It is one of the larger cities here in Texas, along with Dallas, Houston, and Austin. Here are more shops and places to eat. There's an ice cream shop and a Mexican restaurant. Rita's is another Mexican restaurant on the river. This section is called the Rio Plaza. And if you could just hear the water flow, it's so relaxing. And I came across this Irish coffee shop on the Riverwalk. This is another Irish restaurant. Go Irish! I decided to go up the steps of this small bridge so that I could check out the other side of the river. This bridge is similar to the bridges you see in the canals of Venice, Italy. It's less crowded. I think it's because it's a Friday. It's probably crowded on the weekends. So I'm walking down the steps, being very careful, holding on to my selfie stick, and now we're on the other side of the river. So again, I'm walking upstream. There's less restaurants and less shops. It's more hotels now. I'm actually looking for this river cruise. They're the only river cruise allowed on the Riverwalk, and I wanted to try their boat tours. So I'm just looking to see. There you go. That's one of the boat tours that I want to buy tickets.
Okay. Y'all need me a lot more than you think you do. Awesome. Should take about 30 minutes or so to get back here where we started, if everything goes safe and well. Okay, it is my first day today. Just want it to go perfectly. Some of you guys seem really concerned about that statement. You were smiling when we started. I don't know what changed, but I'll go over some safety rules, all right? Don't worry. We do have more than 30 bridges we got to pass underneath on this trip. Some of them are really low. We got about 20 boats out here today. We get really close to each other all the time. So I just need to ask everyone to stay seated. Try to keep everything inside the boat rails. If you drop your cell phone into the river, just raise your right hand. I'll raise mine. We'll start waving that thing goodbye together, you guys. I'm sorry. No way I'll find it. Rule number 2, no smoking on the cruise. No tobacco. All the way up to the rooftop. That's flat. It's really, really tall and really thin. Don't miss it. $19.30. The Nick's Emergency Clinic. This was the first fully functioning hospital to have an air.
So this is a 30-minute boat ride, and I really enjoyed our tour guide. He is born and raised here in San Antonio. He was also very funny, and he gave a lot of trivia and tidbits about different areas along the Riverwalk. This is one of the more famous restaurants along the Riverwalk.
With the stage on the right for live performances on the river, and the seats that hold hundreds of guests to view the shows. How many of you watched the movie Miss Congeniality starring Sandra Bullock? The bikini model contest scene, swimsuit models, it was filmed right here this year. I know, it's my favorite part of the movie. Fifth was the repeal of prohibition. It wasn't legal to serve a drink until that was over. And these guys
So that's it for today. Please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.